Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to the playlist for Excel Experts exam. This is an advanced Excel exam from Certiport. This certificate holds lots of value. So if you see, I have this document here that shows the scope of objectives for MO-211. This expert exam is considered to be very valuable. If you see, it says 150 hours of it requires 150 hours of instruction and hands-on practice. If you have this certificate, it is considered that you are industry ready and you are ready to enter the job market. So my goal is basically to cover all the objectives from this document within this playlist. So I hope you get this certificate. I'll just show you quickly what these objective domains look like. So these are the objectives that I will be covering in all the videos. So look for these names in the videos when you are preparing for the examination. So in total, I will upload 14 videos for these objective domains because these are 14 in number, and that will help you to prepare for the exam. So this is the document that contains all the outcomes that they need to be covered, and then they have another document here that tells exactly the weightage from each component. So this is also very useful. You get to know what is the weightage for each component. For example, this one is just 10 to 15%, then the second one is 30 to 35, then third one 25 to 30, and then last one 25 to 30. So mostly this one holds lots of weightage here. So make sure you watch all the videos so that you have high chances of getting this certificate. I have gone through the MOS exam myself multiple times, and I have looked at the practice exams available online through different mediums, and I have tried my best to put different types of questions in this video so that you are ready for the examination. Thank you so much. I hope you get to learn a lot from these videos.